Are you in your 70s or 80s? Then tell me, can you do these 16 incredible things we're about to share? If yes, congratulations. You're a living inspiration. Aging gracefully with health and vitality is not just rare, it's extraordinary, and you deserve all the recognition for it. Let's begin. 1. Walking. If you can still walk without difficulty, know that this is more than just movement. It's a true symbol of strength, energy, and inner youth. Walking isn't just about moving your legs. It's about keeping your heart strong, your muscles active, and your mind sharp. What's more, with every step, your brain releases endorphins that boost your mood, as if nature is saying, "You're glowing." Now think for a moment. Walking isn't just enjoyable. It's your best defense against numerous age-related diseases. It's like a miracle drug with no side effects. Whether in your neighborhood, at the park, or even indoors, every movement is a celebration of your body's vitality and energy. That's incredible, and you should be proud of every step. How many people reach their 70s or 80s with this level of vigor? Not many, very few. If you're among them, know that you are a living example of how to age with health, enthusiasm, and as an inspiration to those around you. 2. Climbing stairs with ease. Now think about this. How many people can climb stairs with ease, especially as they age? If you're one of them, that's something to be proud of. Climbing stairs isn't just a movement. It's a sign of strength, balance, and resilience that few can maintain. Every step you conquer is living proof that your body is ready to face daily challenges. And here's the best part. This simple act provides amazing benefits for your heart, improves circulation, and strengthens your legs. It's like a full workout disguised as a daily routine. And if you're already smiling thinking about how many steps you handle with ease, wait until you see the next item. It's also all about vitality and independence, two hallmarks of someone who truly knows how to enjoy life. 3. Preparing your own meals. Picture this, you in the kitchen, selecting fresh ingredients, blending flavors, and creating something delicious with your own hands. It may seem simple, but it's a skill that showcases autonomy, creativity, and above all, self-care. Preparing your own meals is more than cooking. It's a way to maintain your health by choosing foods that nourish your body and uplift your soul. As you chop, mix, and organize, your mind stays engaged, keeping your brain sharp and your memory active. And there's more. Every dish you prepare isn't just a meal. It's a declaration of independence and self-love. And the best part, this care goes beyond the stove. It shows how much control you have over your life, enjoying each moment to the fullest. But wait, because the next item will reveal another incredible skill that few master, yet it completely transforms the daily lives of those who practice it. 4. Remembering dates and appointments. Now think about this. How many people can easily remember important dates and appointments? If you can, it's because your mind is firing on all cylinders, and that's something to celebrate. After all, it's not just about memory itself, but also about the positive impact it has on your relationships. Remembering birthdays, appointments, or meetings is like saying, "I care about you." And there's more. This ability strengthens bonds with loved ones, creating special moments and unique connections. Not to mention that trusting your own memory gives you a sense of security, showing that you're in control of your routine. And do you know what else can help keep your mind sharp? Reading, solving challenges, or even trying something new. If that already sounds amazing, just wait to discover the next item on the list. It directly addresses independence and freedom. 5. Driving with confidence. If remembering dates is a mental feat, driving with confidence is a celebration of body and mind working together in perfect harmony. When you take the wheel and hit the road, you're proving that your reflexes, concentration, and cognitive skills are at their peak. And that's powerful. Think about it. Driving requires attention, agility, and quick decision-making. With every turn or traffic light, you're giving your brain a real workout, keeping it active and healthy. But driving is more than just technical skills. It's pure freedom. It means having control over your schedule, visiting loved ones, or enjoying a relaxing drive, all without relying on anyone. Driving is a symbol of independence that few things can replace. And if that already makes you feel good, wait to discover what's next. The following skill will show another way you transform your daily life, proving you're a true example of vitality. 6. Gardening or taking care of plants. Now imagine this, your hands in the soil, the scent of flowers in the air, and the joy of watching your plants thrive under your care. Gardening is more than an activity. It's a ritual of love for nature and a unique way to cultivate patience, care, and mindfulness. And the best part? As you plant, water, or prune, you're strengthening muscles, keeping your hands agile, and moving your body without even realizing it. Plus, the contact with soil calms the mind and relieves stress, creating a moment of peace and well-being. But it doesn't stop there. Remembering to water on time, understanding what each plant needs, and watching them grow challenges your mind, stimulating memory and focus. Every blooming flower and every new leaf is a small victory you nurture with your own hands. Speaking of strength and care, the next item is an even greater proof of how you turn simple actions into demonstrations of vitality. 7. Carrying groceries with ease. If caring for plants is a testament to patience, carrying groceries is a demonstration of strength and energy. When you pick up your shopping bags and bring them home effortlessly, you're showing that your body is fit and ready to tackle daily tasks. Think about it. Lifting bags activates the muscles in your arms, back, and even your hands, keeping your joints flexible and strong. And it's not just physical. Carrying groceries requires balance, coordination, and careful attention to avoid dropping anything along the way. And you know what's even better? Every bag you carry is a reminder that you remain independent, living with autonomy and vitality. It's a natural workout that directly reflects on your quality of life. Speaking of energy and control, the next item will surprise you even more as it reveals another skill that few manage to maintain over time. Get ready. 8. Practicing light exercises. Now imagine the sense of well-being that comes after a good walk or a few minutes of stretching. Moving your body, even lightly, is like giving yourself a gift, one that takes care of your health, strengthens your body, and calms your mind. And you know what's amazing? Every small movement helps improve your flexibility, posture, and energy levels. It's a daily reminder that your body responds with vitality and strength. Plus, as you move, your brain also benefits, releasing those wonderful endorphins that bring joy and relaxation. But it doesn't stop there. Maintaining an exercise routine is more than physical. It's a commitment to your well-being. It's like telling yourself, I choose to take care of me. And if that already sounds like a big accomplishment, wait until you see how the next item can elevate your happiness and sense of fulfillment. 9. Having an active social life. Now think, when was the last time you shared a good laugh with a friend or enjoyed a special moment with your family? If you still maintain an active social life, you're taking care of not just your heart, but also your mind. These moments are like fuel for well-being, strengthening connections and bringing lightness to your daily life. Being with loved ones is more than enjoyable. It's essential. Every conversation, meeting, or group activity helps keep your brain active, stimulates your memory, and creates that warm sense of belonging. Plus, with a network of friends and family, even the most challenging days become easier to handle. And there's more. Science shows that an active social life is one of the secrets to living longer and better. So if you already practice this, keep celebrating these moments. 10. Doing small repairs. Have you ever thought about how amazing it is to handle those small day-to-day problems? Changing a light bulb, adjusting furniture, or fixing something around the house is more than a practical skill. It's a demonstration of autonomy, strength, and determination. Every repair is proof that you're in control, confidently managing the challenges of your routine. And the best part? These simple tasks exercise more than just your hands. They stimulate reasoning, patience, and even creativity. When you finish a repair, you're not just fixing an object, but also reinforcing your independence and vitality. And if doing repairs is already a big accomplishment, wait until you see the next item. It goes straight to the heart of learning and imagination, showing how you continue to grow and connect with the world around you. 11th, reading with ease. Now imagine picking up a book, newspaper, or even your phone and diving into words effortlessly. If you still have the habit of reading, you're doing something extraordinary for your brain. Reading is like giving your mind a special workout, keeping focus, memory, and curiosity alive. And that's not all. Every page you read is a window to new ideas, stories, and lessons. It's a way to travel, discover, and connect with the world without leaving your place. Moreover, reading helps protect your mind against fatigue and lack of stimulation, keeping your memory sharp and your thinking agile. If reading is already part of your daily life, continue enjoying this wonderful habit. And speaking of connection, the next point will show you how you're keeping up with the pace of the modern world and staying connected with those you love. Get ready. 12. Staying up to date with technology. Now, think about the power you wield when using a smartphone, browsing the internet, or even exploring social media. If you've already ventured into the digital world, you're proving that you have the flexibility and determination to learn new things, regardless of age. Technology isn't just a tool. It's a bridge that connects you to friends, family, and the world. A message or a video call can shorten distances and bring hearts closer together. Moreover, every time you learn something new in this digital universe, you're exercising your mind, strengthening your memory, and staying in tune with the pace of modern life. And do you know what's most amazing? With technology, the possibilities are endless. Watching videos, finding recipes, reading the news, or discovering new hobbies. 13. Sleeping well. Now stop and think. Is there anything more refreshing than waking up after a good night's sleep? If you still sleep well, congratulations. That's a clear sign that your body and mind are in balance, ready to face another day with energy and vitality. While you sleep, your body performs incredible miracles. It strengthens your immune system, reorganizes memories, and even gives your mind a reset, helping you wake up renewed. Sleeping well not only protects your heart and helps regulate blood pressure, but also improves mood and enhances mental clarity. And there's more. Sleep is the foundation of health, and every well-rested night is an investment in your quality of life. If you're already taking care of your sleep, keep it up, because the next point is about a skill that proves how you remain in control of everything that matters in your daily life. Let's go. 14. Managing your own finances. Now, imagine yourself as the captain of a ship, steering steadily through calm waters. That's what it means to manage your finances. If you still handle your money, decide where to save or invest, and organize your expenses, you're showing incredible independence and essential mastery over your life. But managing finances is much more than paying bills. It's a complete exercise for the brain. Planning, organizing, and making decisions stimulate reasoning, strengthen memory, and keep you focused on your goals. Additionally, having control over your finances brings a unique sense of tranquility, showing that you're prepared for the future. And the most interesting part, this skill not only reflects your autonomy, but also allows you to continue dreaming, planning, and living with freedom. And speaking of freedom, the next point will show you how your positive mindset transforms everything around you. Get ready. 15. being positive about aging. Now, think about how your life is a collection of incredible chapters, each with unique and unforgettable moments. Aging with joy and wisdom is like writing the richest and most profound pages of this book. If you approach this phase with optimism, congratulations. That's a demonstration of strength and resilience that few possess. Accepting aging with grace is a superpower that turns challenges into lessons and simple moments into reasons to smile. Maintaining a positive outlook reduces stress, improves mental health, and creates a lasting sense of happiness. It's like telling yourself, I choose to live well, enjoy the present, and celebrate my achievements. And do you know what's even more special? Those who embrace aging with joy open themselves to new experiences, stay connected with the present, and continue inspiring everyone around them. 16. Taking care of your personal appearance. Now stop and think. How do you feel when you look in the mirror and see someone well-dressed and happy? Taking a moment to care for yourself, choosing your clothes, or styling your hair is more than just aesthetics. It's an act of self-love. It's a daily reminder that you value yourself and deserve to feel good. And do you know what's special? This habit boosts your mood, increases confidence, and gives you that satisfying feeling of being ready for the day. Moreover, taking care of your appearance is a way to connect with the world and the people around you. It's a silent message that says, I'm here, living fully and joyfully. Speaking of living fully, have you noticed how each of these skills you still master reflects the incredible life you've built? Your energy and vitality aren't by chance. They're the result of conscious choices, dedication, and that special care you've always had for yourself. Reaching your 70s or 80s with energy, enthusiasm, and so many skills is something worth celebrating. You are living proof that the secret to a full life isn't about age, but about how you choose to live each moment. It's about seeing the world with gratitude, valuing the present, and staying curious about what's yet to come. Aging well is the result of small choices made throughout life. Taking care of your health, keeping your mind active, nurturing good relationships, and never losing the desire to learn. Every achievement you celebrate, no matter how small it may seem, is a step toward a lighter, more beautiful, and more purposeful life. But the most incredible part? It's not just about what you do, but how you do it. It's about the willingness to face each day with enthusiasm, overcome challenges, and keep seeking moments that fill your life with color and joy. Being a rare gem means exactly that, living with resilience, strength, and inspiration. If you've made it this far, congratulations. Your journey is an example of joy, determination, and a deep love for life. May every moment be lived to the fullest, and may every accomplishment be celebrated as part of this beautiful story you are writing. And remember, age is just a number. What truly matters is how you choose to shine, inspiring yourself and those around you. Your vitality is contagious, and your ability to live with purpose and gratitude is something worth sharing. If this content resonated with you, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Share it with your loved ones and show them that aging with quality and joy is not only possible, but something to be proud of. And don't forget, the next video is full of new inspirations to keep celebrating life with purpose and vitality. We're in this journey together. See you there.